Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will talk about WH questions words, what are the WH question words and how to use each of them. Before we start, I hope you take notes because this is going to be very important. And now let's just get into it. Bismillah. I would like to start by why because I personally use why every single day. When you ask why, it means that you don't know the reason. For example, a friend comes to you and they tell you that they are sad. I bet you'll ask them why, because you care about them and you want to know the reason why they are sad. Now let's move to how. When you ask how, it means that you don't know in what way things are going, or that you simply want to know in what way things are going. Like when you ask someone, how did that happen? Or simply, how are you? You want to know in what way things are going for that person and if they are doing well or not. Next we have where. For me, it is the easiest to understand and use. Where is used when you want to know a place or a location. Like when you agree to meet a friend somewhere, you make it to that place and they are still not there. So you might just text them, where are you? Which means that you want to know where are they, their place or their location. Are they close? Are they coming? And this is it. Let's move to our next one, which is who. And we use it to know the person or the doer of the action. Let's try a simple example. Who's that girl? It means I don't know who she is, and this is why I'm asking, who's that girl? Next we have when. We use when to know about the timing, like when did that happen? Or to refer to a future situation. For example, when I see her tomorrow, I will tell her that. Now we have what.